Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone and let me show you how to activate Hey Siri. At first, open the settings, then find and select Siri and search, and here click on the first tab, which is listen for Hey Siri. And now you have to go through the setup process, so just click on continue and then read the notifications that will be displayed. So let me start. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Then click on done, and that's it. So let me show you how it works now. Hey Siri, open Spotify. And here it is. So this is how you can activate Hey Siri, how you can use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.